This is going to be an unboxing and first impression video with a difference. The difference being, because of what it is, a wireless microphone to use with phones and tablets, etc. Your first impressions are going to kind of come before mine. So I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to set it up and use it, and I want you in the comments to tell me how it sounds. Deal? Okay, let's go. So this is the Maono? I don't know. Wave T5. It's the AI wireless lavalier microphone, and has it got AI? I don't know at this stage, but doesn't every box have AI on the box, at least these days? It's like the biggest marketing scam in the world, but we shall see. In terms of initial impressions of the box, looks good, feels good, it's solid, well designed. Says here it is professional tuning, Super CD sound quality, AI noise reduction, 300-meter wireless transition. That is pretty cool, especially for a lot of you TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels type people. I feel like that will give you the most value. Doing videos out and about really change the kind of content you can make, and small and portable. It also says it's the #1 selling microphone worldwide. I know it's just me, but I would have thought it'd be like DJI or something like that, because I see a lot of people wearing them. I've never heard of these until they reached out to me. But thank you very much for supplying this. Let's unbox it and see what it's all about. Alfie. I do like a nice tight sleeve. Just squeeze out of there. Lovely. It does say compatible with iPhone and iPad. Nothing mentioned on Android. So this video could end shortly. We shall see. And then this way. Ooh, nice smooth opening. What have we got? This automatically just feels better than a phone unboxing, doesn't it? When phone unboxing these days, it's phone, cable, shit pieces of paper. This is a nice little faux leather type bag. What's in there? A little carry case. Couple of things in here. We've got, I don't know what this is. This is like a neck loop. Maybe hang it from a neck rather than on a t-shirt. A charging cable, and yay, USB Type-C. Always makes me happy. Yeah, you get 2 of those little loops as well. That's nice, in case you're doing interviews or other. Assuming you get 2 mics then. That's a booklet. That's a booklet. That's a booklet. Okay. So we got the little carry case for the cables and stuff. But also a nice little hard case there as well. With Maono. I'm just assuming it is Maono. And if it's not, you have to let me know. So in here we have little fluffy things, which, sorry to upset people, called dead cats. Stops noise, like wind noise and stuff. Got 2 of them. There's definitely 2 microphones then, right? A 3.5 to 3.5 mil jack on a springy cable. Okay. And another, oh no, USB-C to USB-C cable there. So, okay. So a lot of cables. Then we have the stars of the show. Alleged stars of the show, I should say. That feels hefty, right? Just gonna put that down for a second. It feels metal, which, ooh, don't give away the show. We've got little charging indicators on the front. Assuming it is metal, because there's a little magnet that's just stuck to the bottom there. Yeah, so you have a little magnetic case, which is nice, dope. I was expecting plastic. A little indentation with the logo on the top, and a little clippy clip. Little clippy clip stuck to the bottom. It's a magnetic clip. That's nice. So if the case has lights on it, yes, USB-C on the back, so all chargers in the case, which is nice. I did have a couple of old microphones which were turd that I got off TikTok shop, and they were awful, and they charged individually, which was a nightmare. But these do charge individually as well as in the case, it looks like. So okay, interesting. So it has got USB-C on there, and a little clippy clip. Little clippy clip on the back. And then, what's that there? So you got a little switch, which I don't know what they mean yet. Maybe I will need them little booklets that I've chucked. And a 3.5mm jack. And a little spinny wheel. Pass volume. And got a power button and USB-C there. And yeah, charging pins there. So there must be something I can't. There we go. If I zoom in on the camera, I can now see charging pins. So they go in there. And then we got, ooh, this little dinky thing. What's this? It says Maono. And a logo on the back. Microphone. Record button. And noise reduction. Power button. Is this the microphone? I'm so confused. I don't know what's going on here. All I do know is there's a little tab for me to peel off there. Let's do that. Pop that in. Ah, magnets be strong. Right, so that is a magnet on the back. Really nice because you can just put that on one of these little loops I mentioned earlier. So that'll go on there. So, two of those bits. Hey, they are incredibly sticky. That's actually quite annoying. I'm just trying to put one back in the box and the other one jumps out and attaches to it. Then we've got the other one there and it's trying to do it again. Stop trying to escape. Right, you, out the way. And then we have, receivers. So got the one receiver there, goes into your phone, which, is lightning. And then, there we go. That's good. USB Type-C. What's a shame is, like, that's pretty much dead now, right? Because who uses lightning? Well, so that can just live in there then. And then, lastly, inside the little case, I don't know how you want to escape because this one's proven rather difficult to get out. Looks like a little clip. And already, just as I'm recording this, the temptation to think, it's alright, because this will, I'll just edit this out. But I don't want to edit it out, because this is the kind of thing you need to know when buying a product. How easy is it to operate and use, etc. And I just cannot get this out of the box. So, that's really annoying. Wait. Hey, there we go. It's out. So yeah, again, little magnet, little clippy clip, little logo. So we've got two of them. Boom. They just stick together. Don't want to put them back in the box because awful experience trying to get them out. So, right, that's the unboxing part. There is everything that you get. Boom. There you go. Little behind the scenes. There's my feet. It's everything that's in the box. I'm going to go set it up now and you will hear, hopefully, some difference between my voice now and my voice with the microphone. I'm now wearing the Wave T5, as you can see. No lights on, so this is just my voice coming through the microphone, receiver in my hand. I'm wearing it now with a magnet on the inside of my shirt, and then the magnet just attached to that. As you can see, it's pretty firm, which is good. There's a clip, which is just going to crease up the shirt. You do get the option here to have a clip as well, which is nice. Let's turn this on. Let's plug this in and see how different the sound. So this is now with the microphone on. So hopefully my voice sounds clearer, louder, and more true to life than the flat sounding quality you get on phone recordings in general. And now this is with the AI noise reduction. Now, obviously recording this in my house for a first impressions, mainly because it's raining and dark outside, but also because we'll get to the noise reduction in a full review instead. Let me know the difference that you hear, if you do hear any difference at all. Maybe I've just been conned. Maybe these are useless. Maybe I now sound phenomenal and I'm like a young Trevor McDonald and you just want to hit that subscribe button over there. Maybe. I don't know. Possibly. Please. All in all, I'm actually pretty impressed, like straight out of the box, because I think it looks nice. It's minimal. You can put a dead cat on there. You've got multiple ways to connect it. I'm all for it. Hopefully, when I'm editing this, I listen to my voice and it doesn't make me want to pierce my eardrums with a pencil. And yeah, thank you for watching. Take care.